This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back again. So now here in this session, I'm going to cover a topic called sort key. So guys, if you are able to remember in previous session at the time of setting up GL master, there I have shown what to say field called sort key. A three-digit key will be there, right? And theoretically, I have explained like what is the use of this sort key and all. But now it's time to see practically what is exactly the use of this sort key and all, and how to configure. I'll tell you guys how to configure. How to configure means how to configure any whatever multiple configuration steps are there that some of the configurations we have already done, and there are several configurations which is yet to be done that we are going to do in upcoming sessions and all, right? So how to configure doesn't matter, guys. First of all, why to configure, that matters, right? So why to configure means, in order to understand why to configure, you need to understand the functionality, you need to understand the use of this sort key. So now the first question is, what is the use of this sort key? That I'll show you practically so that you guys will be having perfect understanding, right? If you talk about the definitions, if you're going to search anywhere, Google or anywhere, like one line or two line definitions, you may find like sort keys are used to update or populate the assignment number field in the line items. How? The question is how it is going to update this assignment field in the line item, that you need to understand, right? So first of all, I'll explain this, how system is going to update this sort key, and then I'll let you know how to configure this sort key. So first of all, in this session, try to understand how sort key is going to update the assignment field. So the first question is, where is the assignment field, right? So assignment field is pretty simple, guys. If you are able to remember FBL3N, here let me give a GL number here, okay, or any GL number, guys. Let's suppose I'm going to use this GL number, and here your company code. Execute. So look at here now. So now what is happening here? This is called assignment field. So right now assignment field is getting updated with a value. So how this value is coming from, how this value is coming and where it is coming from? Because if you talk about the amount, manually we have given this amount at the time of posting of transactions. If you talk about this text, that is also manually you guys are going to give. If you talk about the posting key, this is also we have selected somewhere, debit or credit you are going to select, or else manually. If you are going to use F-02, then manually you have to give 40 and 50. If you are going to use FB50 transaction code, then posting key need not to select, but at least you need to select debit or credit, and based on that system is going to pick 40 and 50. So these all things. Document type is also, guys, once you are going to post the transactions, their document type is appearing. If you want to change, you can change it. So these all are manual entries. But here, and document number, of course, like once you save the transactions and all, then automatically system is going to generate this document number. The logic is already explained in the previous session. Hope you guys are able to remember. Okay. Now, what about this assignment field? It is getting updated automatically. How? So based on the sort key which we have assigned in the GL master. So what I'll do, I'll show you guys once again. So go to FS00. So try to understand the logic, right? Here. Okay. So let me do one thing. FS00. And here, this is the GL account I'm talking about. So look at here. If you click on control data, I have given sort key 001. And sort key 001 means what, guys? Posting date. Okay, this is for posting date. It means whenever we are going to post a transactions against this HDFC bank account, in the sense against this GL account, then what is happening, guys? System is going to search in background that against this GL account, which sort key is assigned. So the sort key is 001. Now in that sort key, so 001 is created for what? 001 is created for posting date. Okay, again, posting date means how system is going to bring get posting date only. That you will come to know once I show the configurations and all. But just like how system is going to update the assignment will automatically, so it is getting updated based on the sort key. Where is the sort key given, guys? Sort key is going to be assigned to your GL master. So at the time of posting transactions, what is happening, guys? The transactions are getting posted against, let's suppose here. And sort key, if you talk about the assignment of sort key, doesn't mean that it is going to be assigned only against GL master, guys. It can be assigned to the vendor and customers as well, right? Vendor will be covered once I start account payable, and customer is the part of account receivable. So if you know the sort key, how to set up the sort key, and if you know the logic, even you can perform testing over there also, right? Account payable, account receivable, I have not started yet. That is right. So anyway, you can assign the sort key to the vendor master and customer master as well. Okay. So what is happening, guys? The sort key is going to update the assignment field, right, in the line item, right? So now we'll do one thing. Just edit. I'm going to change the sort key. I'll make it here. If you check, like, multiple sort keys already delivered by SAP, right? If required, then you can create a different sort key also. There was a requirement from my client. I'll just do one thing. I'll set up that sort key and I'll show you how it is set up. So now here multiple sort keys are there. I'll just do one thing. I'm going to use this one, 002, and save it. Now 002 means what, guys? Document number and fiscal year. It means this sort key is created for document number and fiscal year. It means if we are going to use sort key 002, then system is going to update, assignment field is going to be updated with document number and fiscal year. So I'll just do one thing. Why not to test it? So post a transaction. Now I will. So use transaction code MB50 itself. MB50. Since we are having only 2 ZL, so no issues. We are going to make use of those GL later in upcoming sessions. Even other GLs are also going to be set up, guys. So let's suppose this is going to be credited with a particular amount, and this is going to be debited. I'm going to give unique amount. Okay, so here. So now what is happening, guys? If I'm going to post this transaction, system is going to check that against HDFC Bank GL, which sort key is given. So it is given, like we have given 0002. And 0002 means that is created for what? So 0002 sort key is created for document number and fiscal year. It means assignment field must be updated with document number and fiscal year. Save it, Control H. Now, if you have a look here, come back and let's have a look on the report. Look at here, guys. Look at here. This is what the document which got posted, 850 rupees, right? Now, so look at here the document number, 1008. I'll tell you guys now. Before that, like here, multiple zero got updated, because if you talk about the document number, guys, document number means a 10-digit number. System considered 10-digit number. 10-digit number. Okay, it means till 10-digit document number length can be. So here, like before 1008, like 60 is there. It doesn't matter, right? So this is your document number 1008, and this is the fiscal year 2020. So how system got updated? How system has updated this based on the sort key which we have given into GL account, right? There is one more thing I'll tell you. Now, okay. So here I'm going to post one more transaction. Again, the same transaction, guys. Suppose this time 899 and 4000 debit 899. And what I'm trying to do, sort key I'll give here manually. Okay, give this sort key manually. Sorry, not sort key, guys. Assignment field I'm going to update manually. And if I save it, then what will happen, guys? In that case, just come back here and check it. So now what is happening? Refresh. Now look at here, guys. Now here, so whatever input we have given in assignment field manually, that is going to get the priority. It means at the time of posting a transaction level, at the time of posting a transactions, whatever input you are going to give, that will get priority. If you have not given any input, in that case, what is happening, guys? As per your master data system is going to react. But at the time of posting transactions, whichever input you are going to get, guys, that is going to get priority. Why I'm explaining this right now, guys? Because there might be a chances people will ask questions, not in the form of sort key, guys. They will ask in the form of different topics like terms of payment, payment method. That is going to come later in once I start account payable, there I'm going to explain about those topics. Okay, so here the simple logic is at the time of document posting, whichever inputs are going to be given, that will get priority. Okay, if assignment field, let's suppose I have not given anything in assignment field, in that case, what is happening, guys? System is going to check the sort key from master data, and as per that, system is going to populate. In the sense, system is going to update the field. This is how it is happening. Now the question is, how system is going to bring, like how system has updated this document number here? What is the logic behind that, right? How system has updated this fiscal year here? That also we need to know. So for that, what is happening, guys? We have to do one thing. For that, we need to configure this sort key. So once I configure it, then you guys will be able to understand the logic. So in next session, what is happening, guys? I'm going to show you how to configure sort key. Okay, so that's all in this session, and next session I'm going to explain how to set up, how to configure the sort key with a very easy explanations, guys, so that you'll be having perfect understanding.